Hi everyone, in this example we'll be looking at fraction expressions on the SAT Math section. This is question number 19 on the No Calc section from official practice test number 5. If we look at this question, it says 2x plus 6 over x plus 2 squared minus 2 over x plus 2, and the question asks, the expression above is equivalent to a over x plus 2 squared, where a is a positive constant and x is not equal to negative 2. What is the value of a? So as I wrote below, when you have questions like this where they've given you some kind of an expression that they want you to ultimately reach, which in this case is a over x plus 2 squared, you want to be able to simplify and cancel. You don't want to worry about what your final answer is going to be. You simply just want to use what they've given you, try to simplify as much as possible, and eventually you're going to reach the right answer. So as you can see, I have below the expression written. So what I notice immediately is that I have a fraction and I have a subtraction sign, which means that I'm going to need their denominators on both sides to be equal for me to do subtraction. So on the left side, I have x plus 2 squared, and on the right side, I have x plus 2 by itself. So obviously what I want to do is I want to multiply the right side by x plus 2 on the top and the bottom. So if I write that here, I get 2 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 times x plus 2. Now what I'm going to do is just to make them so they're the same, I'm going to just write this as x plus 2 squared since they're equivalent. And so as you can see now, both of our denominators are equal, which means we can actually go ahead and subtract. So first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to FOIL the right side completely. So I have 2x plus 6 over x plus 2 squared minus 2x plus 4, that entire quantity, over x plus 2 squared once again. And now the problem's pretty simple. We just have to be able to simplify the numerator. Obviously, if we subtract and distribute, the 2x's cancel, and then we have 6 minus 4. Don't forget to distribute that subtraction to the 4. 6 minus 4 is, of course, equal to 2. And once again, we have this all over x plus 2 squared. If we look back at the form that they wanted us to use, it's a over x plus 2 squared. And this is exactly what we have. We have a, the constant 2, over x plus 2 squared, which means that 2 is the right answer to this problem.